November 12th, 2021. My presentation will be on the past and future of gene therapy. So, gene therapy is indeed an investigational scheme for averting ailment by using genes. In the forthcoming, though, instead of needful surgery, specialists may be gifted to treat an ailment by setting a gene into the patient's cells. Various techniques for treating blood malignancies and just a few rare diseases have been approved, and they may soon constitute standard care. So, since its earliest human proof of concept studies in the 1990s, gene therapy has come a very long way. The strategy, which entails repairing or substituting a disordered gene or altering its function, has yielded some impressive results, or some disastrous failures as well. But these rugged peaks have leveled off in the last decade, and gene therapy in various forms have begun to advance at a rapid rate. This unique study examines how genomic medicine has progressed past its early setbacks to cover an ever-expanding concept of what it is and how much it can achieve. Not only has the field altered in recent years, but the basic meaning of gene therapy has changed as well. The field now encompasses irreversible modifications to a cell's DNA and temporary changes how genes are transcribed into proteins. Researchers have now documented several successes, including alleviating some leading causes of blindness, sickle cell disease, and spinal muscular atrophy, which could be otherwise fatal. According to Gardner and Webster, the gene therapy has a long road to recovery, but in reputation and on the lab bench. Early tragedies prompted a scientific reckoning, and while many researchers abandoned the field altogether, others began to look for strategies, to minimize some of the more significant adverse effects, which has occurred. What has occurred is the quick embrace and development of alternative technologies like CRISPR, as well as a variety of novel viral vectors, built to integrate their genetic payload more efficiently and safely into the genome. Gene therapy now has made up its rocky beginnings, and the discipline has managed to repair both its science and its image. Many people directly link the method with the possibility of supposedly miraculous cures, which can be destructive as beneficial, but the prospect of such medicines instill optimism rather than fear in both victims and the general population. With that comes a slew of other issues, including unrealistic expectations, pricing, and accessibility. But current gene treatment options are both expensive and challenging to get, and limiting their potential research. So solving these issues could be the next significant challenge for the field.